Is Super Tuesday really all that super? Not as super as it used to be. In 2012, the large cluster of presidential primaries won't carry quite as much weight as it has in the past. No matter what cable news tells you. But the 10 states voting Tuesday will shape, if not shake up, the GOP nomination fight and the ongoing battle for delegates. Getting its name in the 1980s, Super Tuesday has been the big kahuna of primaries for at least 7 presidential races. The high number of states voting and the bounty of delegates that usually goes with the winner often effectively ends the conversation about a party's nomination. The day brought Bill Clinton's campaign back from the dead, with Southern state wins in 1992 and cemented nominations for Al Gore and George W. Bush in 2000 when a whopping 16 states held contests. Over the past 12 years, party leaders in individual states wanting more sway earlier in the nomination game have shrunk the S on March's Super Tuesday chest by moving their contests earlier. 2004 saw only 7 states vote on Super Tuesday. In 2008, 24 states moved their primaries back to February 5th, creating a new Super Tuesday that allotted over half the delegates for the nomination process and leaving the usual early March Super Tuesday with just 4 states voting. This year, several states have again moved up primary and caucus contests, some despite the threat of punishment by the National Republican Party leaders, leaving just 10 states voting on Super Tuesday: Georgia, Idaho, Massachusetts, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Tennessee, Vermont, Virginia, and Alaska. But don't look for pundits to downplay the significance of March 6th. Even with Mitt Romney expected to garner the majority of delegates, many are already saying that a win by Rick Santorum in Ohio, a state considered a bellwether in national elections, could prove that Super Tuesday is still plenty super. It may not signal the end of the national nomination contest, but the beginning of a long slog for delegates, the kind of fight Hillary Clinton and Barack Obama remember well from 2008.